Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am back with a new location in which is located in Jakarta. So for your information, this location is located at Halt Busway Bank, Indonesia. So let's go and explore this place. For me, this place is quite good, quite refreshing, and it's in the open area. And basically, this place contains lots of food courts. So you can come over here, take a picture, spend some time, have your dinner. Oh, without wasting time, let's go and explore this place. So you can see when you enter to this place, there are some lightning with on the trees, and there's some the trust is there. So just this is the entry point. So I just enter over here and just going. So you can see this place over here. So this is the entry point. You can get the name Thamrin 10 on also written as Pasar Jaya. So it is basically a food and creative park. The name is given as food court and a creative park. Enter to this place at the entrance itself. You will find a board. In that board there are some photos. So you, as you can see here, there are some photo clicks, and it has been placed over here. And so let's go forward and see what else is there. So you can see this is the view. So you can see this is the view. You can come this place with your family, your family member, friends. So when you enter, you can see this place. So there you will see a board named as Jakarta, the city of collaboration. So this is the not a board, but kind of written in the big text. And then you can see this is the way pathway, and you can see there are the places given for the sitting position given, and all like so that you can sit and eat. You can see this place is kind of small park, mini park, with decorated with multiple different colors, and some trees are also there. So it's kind of park friendly. And it's of course it's in an open area. So you can see this is the view of this place. And this place is mostly open in only in the night time. So you need to come like after 5 o'clock. You can come over here. But I don't know the exact time, but yeah, you can see this is the view. I'm already inside, and also there is a place there is playing some music on the screen, and you can see there are lots of place to sit. And you can see the lightning. Due to the lightning, it's look quite beautiful, and it's like quite silent over here, and quite good place to have dinner, have some chit chat with your friends, family, spend some good time. So you can see this. And apart from that, you can click lots of pictures, lots of good pictures. So for the pictures, you can see they make quite good kind of place, so that people can come and take their pictures, click the pictures. See, it's not quite big, but yeah, just a pathway, but decorated with the lightning and some to give a natural view. There are some plants. So see, this is the place. So you can come have a walk with it. So as the name symbolizes that this is a place for a food court. So you can see that there previously was the in open place but in open place you can just sit and have your dinner or anything. And apart from that, you can see there are multiple shop. So I think there are a lot of shop over here, and lots of food variants are available. So I will not take you to all the shop, but you can see. So this is the place where you can buy the food, or even if you want to sit over there, you can sit and have your food. So you can see there both sides there are a shop. So in the shop, as per your choice, as per your as you want to eat, you can buy and eat over here. So you see this is the same place. So shop are there in the both of the side. And the interesting thing what I see over here, there is some cafe, and the cafe kind, and on the upstairs they make in upstairs sitting also. So you can see there is an upstairs sitting. So you see over here there is a store, and then they make a staircase, just go upstairs. So let me take to you over there. So just you go and upstairs and see they make it quite good over here. So people can come and sit over here and have their dinner, have some chit chat with friends, and it's quite good. And you can see, and it's not the one shop, there are multiple shop which has made this kind of up sitting. Basically it's on not that high, but yeah, you can get a feel of that, like you are sitting on the higher place and enjoying the open area dinner. You can see this one, I came some other side and see it's quite looking beautiful due to plants and the flower. They decorated it with plants and lightning, and you see there are some few more cafe as well which are having the same kind of high sitting position. And also this is the next area which has the same kind of what I saw you earlier, so I will not repeat it the same. So just a view, you can just see the last view. So yeah, this is the view of this place. So yes, for me it's quite good place in the city where you can get a feel of garden and nice lightning, fresh kind of air, and have a good dinner time and spend some good time with your friends or your loved ones. So guys, if you like what I share, please do like and subscribe my channel, and thank you for